If you're capturing business leads that require a business address, then this update within LeadCapture is going to be absolutely game changing for you. So one of the highest friction fields in any lead funnel or lead form is the address field. And that is why we have the Google Address autocomplete feature, where all someone has to start doing is typing in their home address, and it will automatically fill with the address. It makes it consistent, and it also parses it into different fields that are hidden. This removes a ton of friction on the address side and allows for more consistent entries. But when it comes to businesses, it's a little bit of a different story because our default Google Address autocomplete integration does not populate business names. And in many cases, people going through a lead funnel may not know their business address off of the top of their head. And that's why we have recently integrated the Google Places API into LeadCapture to make it easier than ever to capture a business address and to also capture the business name and parse that into a hidden field that you can then pass into your CRM or lead distribution tool. So let's take a look at how this works here. So first, I'm just going to simply clone this address step and I will create a business address step. Okay, so we have our address step here. I'm just going to call it business address. And what we're going to do here is capture the home address and then the business address, just so you can see that we can capture both at the same time in the same flow, because there could be some cases where you need to capture home address and business address. So address is going to go to business address, then we'll just send business address to email. Okay, so now to set up the Places integration, click add field. We'll call this business name or business address. For the label, we'll just say business address. Now for the field type, this is new. Choose Google Places. And when you choose Google Places, you're going to see you can parse in all of the fields just like before, but there's this new option called Places Name. This will be the business name that you can parse into a separate field. Click Save Field. Now you can turn all of these into hidden fields. For example, if you want street to be a hidden field, click on the pencil, go down to field type, add it as a hidden field. Definitely make sure to do this because it will reduce cognitive load on the prospect as they're going through, and that's really key to increasing conversion rates. I'm going to do this for all of these except for the places name because I want you to see this parse in to see how this works here. Okay, so all fields are set to hidden field except for the place name. We actually need to change that field label to say business name, the label and the field name. We don't really care what the label shows because this will eventually become a hidden field, but just for the sake of this example, let's just make sure that's addressed. Okay, let's go do a test now. Okay, this is just a test funnel that we have. So let's start going through it. So you'll see this first step is the home address. If we start typing in some random home address, I do not live here, so do not send glitter to me. You will see the home address entered in. The next question will ask for the business address. I didn't update the step headline, so it still says home, but let's say we wanted to type in a business. I'll just start typing in something random. Let's go with Bryn Mawr Hospital. So there's the business address and there's the business name being parsed in. Again, this could be a hidden field. And then just like that, we captured the business address. It would then be captured with the full lead info and be sent to where it needs to go. I'm not going to go through the whole funnel now. Just want to show you how that works. So that makes it super easy. Again, all you have to do is go into LeadCapture and add the new field for the places field. And it should work just like that. Let me know if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks.